Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to use Trust Wallet's hot token feature to discover trending coins. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet, whether you are using your mobile phone or Trust Wallet's web browser's extension. Now in here, I'll just set this to full screen. Now in the home page of your Trust Wallet, just tap the swap button and then select hot tokens. Now in here, we see these hot tokens and we can easily determine if the token is trending, if it has high volume and market cap. Like for example, this meme coin Turbo. So as you can see that it has a 300 million plus volume and 300 million plus market cap. So this means that this coin is traded by millions of people. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.